Yeah.
It just popped out. Oh, I blew the whole thing.
Cut the belt.
Powder. It's never easy, Jim.
Never, Tim.
We were rolling good. I don't have a spare belt, but
Did it break it? I don't think you broke it,
I
Tim.
don't think I broke it either. Get that blade out of
how's it going, guys? So this is that 8x10 timber you just saw me cut, 16 foot long. We just left it on the mill because I knew it was a flat surface, but I got some cinder blocks and some logs that I cut down, and I think I'm gonna make like a nice flat level drying rack for all these timbers. I left this one strapped on kind of to see what it would do in the sun and in the rain, and it's starting to check pretty bad on the top surface and on the sides. I know that's pretty normal to have all these checks on timbers this big, but I think for the next batch I'm gonna really try to get it out of the sun. I think this one just dried up too fast. This is a Tulip poplar, and I'll show you guys all my other ones I'm gonna mill up to. I'm milling these up to build a timber frame porch, and so stay tuned for that in some future videos. But yeah, 16 foot long on the Woodland mills. This thing is a beast. And that's my old truck cover you saw me sew in the latest Dodge Ram utility truck video. Check that video out. Yeah, so it's now my Woodland mills cover until I get some time to mill like a nice shed for this thing. But let me show you my other lumber. All right, so here's some of the other logs I'm gonna be milling up here. A lot of it's poplar, some cherry, some white oak, but the white oak's pretty small. I'll probably just cut planks out of that, but this poplar is probably about 20 inches in diameter. Cut them at 16 foot plus 6. Always do plus 6 inches. So 16 plus 6, and we'll get some more 8x10s. Those will be my ridge beam, and then my 2 straights coming out to hold the bottom of the rafters for the timber frame porch. So yeah, milling that up. Here's a little sneak peek of the shop build. That's coming up in a video too. But hey, if you guys like these sawmill videos, go back and check out my complete build of the Woodland Mills HM130MAX. I did a full video on that. It's a great video. Definitely check that out and some of my other chainsaw milling videos. And if you like the channel, give me a thumbs up and like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for sticking around, and stay tuned for the next one.